idea that AI will take over the world, it is a common theme in science fiction, but in reality, it is highly unlikely. AI systems are designed and controlled by humans, and their actions are governed by parameters and objectives set by their creators. While AI can certainly have a significant impact in our society, the notion of AI taking over the world, it is more of a speculative than a realistic scenario. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is LindyShirries. In this channel, we make money online. We do crypto, we do forex, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to make money using AI, guys. I am super impressed with the method I'm about to share with you guys because I really think it is the easiest way to make money online, and the nice part of it is it is free. To add more facts to my theory, let's talk about two different people. You have a secretary who is using AI and a secretary who is not using AI. Which one is going to perform more? Guys, it is obvious that the secretary who is using AI will do most of her tasks in a shortest period of time than the one who's going to do manual tasks. For example, they can use Siri, they can type some of their emails by just going to ChatGPT and get the template of that email. They can automate and manage their data using AI. Also, they can use language translation, whereas the person who's not using AI, they will obviously do everything manually, which can take days just to complete few tasks. Now, guys, without wasting time, let's go to my laptop. First thing that you do, you go to ideogram.ai, you create an account using your email, or you can use your Google account. So as you continue, it will ask you to type your username. So obviously I typed LindyShirries. You can select whatever you want, something that you will not forget. And then once you're inside, you'll see there's different photos from Explorer. And then these people who are creating these photos can actually be followed, but I'll show you that later. It's not important for now. So you just browse and look for the one that you want. So say for example you selected this one, you will see that there is a prompt that this person typed to generate a photo. So if you copy it, you will have to go and type and paste it where it says describe what you want here. But then I'm not going to do that for now. I'll show you later. So you can also follow this person if you like their photos, so that next time you do not struggle. So let's look for something interesting, and then we are going to create a logo, guys. So I am going to look for something that looks like a logo, and then we'll create from there. So when you see these nice pictures on social media, they are created here. So I did find this one. It does look like a nice 3D logo. So I looked at the prompt, and then I am going to select it, and then you just read and see if it's something that you want. So if it's 3D, you type 3D, but then I do not type this prompt manually. You can basically go and say create a photo or a logo with a company name and cards, and maybe add something else. But then for me, I copy an existing prompt and then go edify it, because already I have a clue of how it'll look like. So it is better to do it that way than to type your own. And then I just changed a few things. So for example, concept of the classes, I will type we belong here. So this is something that you can type. So you can type the name of that company and then you paste under generate. So remember where it says type what you want here. So you wait for a few minutes, and I was super impressed with the speed, because most of the time you'd even wait like an hour just to generate a photo in some other websites, especially the free ones. But this one, guys, look at what it has generated. I think I've done a good job. So you can select any of these and then send it to someone. So I am going to show you where to sell these photos, but for now, let's just make sure we understand how to create these photos. So when you click here, you can just see pin, you can remix, you can edit, you can copy the prompt. So for me, I am going to pin this one because I think this one is just so lovely for my online shop. So when I created this prompt, I just said my online shop. So if you go to your site again, and then you see other photos, and then you will see the prompts as well. So you basically change few things that have been typed here. So let's just create another one so that to confirm your understanding, guys. I want to create a photo of a woman who's old, who's poor, who's suffering. So I'm just going to look for a similar picture that I want, and then I'm just going to change few things, like it says a futuristic captivated 3D render picture of an old woman suffering, and then now I'm generating that photo, so you will see a clue of what you want. So guys, you do not need to use 3D images all the time, but for me, for now, for this purpose, I just like those kind of photos. So yeah, guys, so you just change orange. If you want a black woman, you will generate as well. So now I want us to go to this site. This is where we're going to make money. So you go to this site that's called DesignCrowd. You create an account. It is also fast, guys. You do not need to worry. So in this account, you will see that there's logo design, business card design, there's web design, t-shirt design. So there's more that is done here. So I'm going to show you quickly if you are a person who wants services. So say for example you want a logo to be designed, you will create an account and then you will specify your requirement, and then people who have created logos, they will come and create logos based on what you have specified, and they will actually bid for what you want. So if you select that logo, then that person will get money. So for example, you specify your design of what you want for your logo, and then you click continue, specify the amount that you are offering. So we are not here to buy a logo, we are here to make money. So you go at the top, you click jobs, and then once you click jobs, you will see that there's different freelance design jobs, contest and work. So you can start earning. There's over 72,554 dollars that is paid to graphic designers, and then you will reach a lot of clients, grow your freelance career, and then it is free to join. And then you click find design jobs. So once you click there, you will see that there's people who have already posted the work, and then you just need to select the one that you want, and then you will read their specifications. So we are looking for a designer who can design an original menu design. So you will select what you can do, and then let's just look at this, and then you will continue, and then you click more, and then the money will be guaranteed as long as the person choose your logo. The money will be guaranteed and paid to you. Now look at the amount, guys. 90 pounds, and then I think it's 19 pounds, and then there's 150, and then let's look at this one, Opperman transport. So I'll use this one as an example so that you see how you're going to create this. Guys, this is so easy. So what I normally do, I read the specification, and then I will copy what they are looking for, and then remove the only parts that are not going to be beneficial on that side. So let's say we copy this one, and then we'll be able to go back to the website in DesignCrowd, and then you paste this in Audiogram, and then you paste this, and then you paste the name as well, because they do want the name to show. So let's just copy their name, and then they even specified the colors. They specify, actually they are specifying everything in detail. So we just have to copy what they are looking for. Guys, just make sure you read and not copy everything exactly the way it is, because sometimes they will say we want to also to add our picture. So guys, make sure you read. And then the next thing, it is generating, and then look at these logos that are generated. So now I don't think we do need a graphic designer to create this, because this is best, guys. Remember the days where we would pay a graphic designer to create this. So now you will look at this, you can give them an option. So you click there at the top, you click download, for you to be able to get this picture. And then the next thing, you will send these logos to people. So let's just look at this one when we open it. So this is how it is looking. So this is good, guys. And then the next thing, we are going to go back and send it to the customer. And then if the customer is happy and maybe selected your logo, then the money will be paid to you. So this is good, guys. And then it is guaranteed. And then as you can see, it's 6 days left. And then there's 3 designs, and then you will see 14 designs, and then you just specify, you just upload yours as well. And then if that person chooses yours, guys, you are sorted. So the second way of making money, you go to Fiverr. As you can see, I have an account, so you can be a seller as well. You can switch to selling. So let's look at me being a buyer, what sort of freelance work it is offered. So if you click logo design, guys, you type logo design. So let's say maybe it is menu design, you would click menu design. So can you see these are different logos that are created by people, and a person would just request this person to create the logo. So this one is $50, and he has created 40, or she has created 40 designs. So let's just say 50 design for $50 for 40. This person has made over $2,000. Let's make it in rands so that you can see how much. 36,000 this person which they made, and maybe they're using the manual method of just creating one by one, which is not easy, guys, which is just time consuming. You can use that app to create fast. So now let's go to another one. Look at this one. you can see that this person has made over 1,000 designs, $130. So let's just say 1,002. This person has made $156,000. So let's multiply by that. That's 2 million made by this person by just creating these designs. So can you see how you can make money using this website? And it is easy, guys. Anyone can do, even my 5-year-old can do. So guys, this is how you will make. So if you do not know how to create an account in Fiverr, you will be able to go to my YouTube channel. I did record a video in one of my videos. That video, you'll be able to see how to create. So when you go to my channel, you basically type, you'll search for Fiverr. As you can see, this is me showing you how I make money easy on Fiverr. So guys, this is nice. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.